Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we're going to show you where to find the fuses for the ignition coils on Ford Focus, guys, generation Mk3 ignition coils fuse. This should cover the generation from 2012 all the way to 2017-18. We will have more than 200 videos on these cars, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment below the video and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So first, you have two fuses, actually not one, two fuses for the ignition coils. We need to check both of them, and if you have a Ford Focus ST, it will be a different fuse and we'll mention which one it is. So we need to open the hood, locate the fuse box, remove the cover here. Okay, need to press on the tooth here and pull it out. Perfect. Now on the back side you can see the different numbers of the fuses, and they're labeled by the fuses on the fuse box as well, but the lettering is really small. In our case, we need to locate fuse number 23 is for ignition coils. Okay, 23. In our case, it's a 5 amp fuse. So we're going to use that puller. Okay, there is one clip that you need to press this way. Okay, and grab the puller out. Now fuse number 23 is this 5 amp fuse. Okay, here. Perfect. So you can see this fuse is good. Now if you want to double test everything, you can use a voltmeter. Let me show you how we are going to do that quick. Okay, and with the voltmeter we have it set at continuity here, and if the fuse is good, it's going to give us connection. Okay, so listen now, one light here, the other one here. So that's a good fuse. If the fuse is blown, it will be like you are not touching it, it will show 1. So this is fuse number 1 for the ignition coils. Now another fuse, it's fuse number 33. Okay, and 33 will be on the bottom here. Okay, will be the second one. Okay, 15 amp fuse. So I'm going to pull this one as well. And if you have a Ford Focus ST, check fuse number 34 instead of 33. Okay, let's check now this one. Okay, perfect. This fuse is good as well. So those are the two fuses, guys, for the ignition coils. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you, save you some time and money. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.